In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Form on website. Use the embed code, easiest. If you want visitors to fill out your form without leaving your site, embedding is the simplest way to do it. We'll walk through the exact clicks, explain what you're seeing, and share a few quick tips so your form looks great on any page. First, open your Google form. Make sure it's the form you want to use and that your questions and settings are ready. Anything you change in the form later will update automatically wherever it's embedded, so you don't need to re-embed after edits. Next, look to the top right corner of the form and click Send. This opens the sharing options. You might see choices for email or a link, but we're going to use the embed option so the full form appears directly on your web page. In the Send window, switch to the Embed HTML tab. This is the one marked with the angle bracket icon. Here, Google provides an iframe, which is a small piece of HTML that displays the form inside your site. You'll also see width and height fields. You can adjust these now if you want the embed to fit a specific area. Don't worry, you can always change them later by editing the numbers in the code. Now copy the iframe code. This is the complete snippet you'll paste into your website. It includes the form's URL and the size settings. Finally, paste the code into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, add a custom HTML block on the page and paste the code there. On site builders such as Squarespace or Wix, look for an embed or code element and drop the snippet into that. If you're editing raw HTML, place the iframe in the body of the page exactly where you want the form to show up. After pasting, preview your page to confirm the form loads and is usable. A few quick tips as you fine-tune the look. If the form feels too narrow or wide, adjust the width and height values in the iframe. Many pages look best with a width of 100%, so it scales with the layout. If the form doesn't show, make sure your platform allows iframes on that page type and that you didn't paste the code into the head section. Also, if your form is restricted to certain sign-ins, visitors may be prompted to log in before they can respond. That's it, the fastest way to embed a Google form using the built-in embed code.